Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a wicked bad 1966 Ford Mustang 2+2 Fastback. Man, guys, this car is just wicked awesome, man. I've been going to the same show for about 5 years. Every year I walk around this car, and the older gentleman that owns it comes over and we talk, and I pester him about selling it, and of course it's never for sale. And when I walked up this year, when he got out of his chair, he said, "Today's your lucky day." And needless to say, I bought this dang thing. This car is gorgeous. 3,900 miles on a complete nut and bolt rotisserie restoration. Everything's professionally done. It has a wicked 347 cubic inch roller stroker engine that rocks, man. I took this thing down to the beach and ran it a little bit. This thing will fly. It's finished in Vermillion red. It's got gorgeous two-tone pony red and white interior in it. You can see they've lowered it down. It's got lowering springs all the way around it. This guy built this car 15 years ago, and yes, there's only 3,900 miles on it. This was his baby. Matter of fact, his wife was crying when we finalized the deal. I mean, the bottom of this car is as nice as the top. You will be hard pressed to find a nicer Mustang than that right there. Gorgeous, gorgeous car, man. There's not a whole lot, guys, that I could pick at this thing. I mean, it is just slick as glass. Like I say, the bottom of the car is as nice as the top. And he just maintained it. I mean, you can wax the bottom of this car. It's beautiful. Magazine car. I do have the magazine. He gave it to me. I've got the complete picture book on the restoration. Like I say, just gorgeous. My guys missed a little, sometimes my boys will miss a little wax there. But slick car. Again, as nice as you will find. And I'm telling you, now if you're looking for a little Mustang just to putz around and you know, go slow in, this car rocks. This is for a guy who wants some horsepower. This thing is fun to drive. And the only reason he sold it, guys, he said he's just getting older, and he said he wanted to see it go to a good home. But it's funny, I would walk up to this car every year and mess with him, and like I said, this year he said today's your lucky day. This car's going for sale. It's got the it's a 2+2. It's not a GT. It's got the it was a C code 289 car from the factory. Car's nice and straight down the sides. 17-inch American Racing Torque Thrust 2s all the way around it. That's just a little water spot there, guys. And like I say, when you get underneath this thing, beautiful. I'm gonna park it right in our front window with mirrors underneath it. And man, you talk about fun to drive, guys. Man, this thing rocks. Said it's 400 plus horsepower. Said he never dynoed it, but again, 347. It's a late model 302 stroked out to 347. Steel crank, comp cam, comp roller camshaft, roller rockers, roller lifters. It's got stage 2 pro aluminum heads on it. Doug Thorley headers. You can see it's got the chrome air cleaner and valve covers, updated ignition in it. It's got front disc brakes, front sway bar, aluminum radiator with a flex fan. It's got all the March pulleys on it. That car is just slick, man. New glass. It's a chrome mirror, chrome remote mirror. Yeah, if you want to nitpick something, those little A-pillar chrome isn't perfect, but it's pretty doggone nice. Matter of fact, that'll clean up a little bit, guys. New door handles. I've ordered a door tag from it or for it, so it's on the way. But the original VIN is on your front apron there. Bucket seats. Now he's bolstered them to where they'll hold you a little bit better. Bucket seats, wood wheel. Again, remote driver's mirror, and it works. Fold down rear seat. It's got the factory dash and gauges, but he's done them in white Phantom gauges. $39.49 on your odometer. It's got a Retrosounds radio. Oh, I'm sorry, Tremec 5-speed manual transmission. Updated bell housing on it. It's got an X-pipe, 2.5-inch exhaust system, polished drive shaft in it. It's got a 9-inch rear with a 389 traction lock gear. It's just a little dust, guys. Car cover comes with it, along with the thing to put in there. This is the magazine. See, car's on the front of the magazine. You can see how nice this thing is inside. That's what the car started with. And then, like I say, he's got pictures of it right through it. Beautiful car, man. Just a gorgeous, gorgeous car. Man, we're getting the sunshine. We're getting lucky. Look at the bottom of this car, man. Car is beautiful. I think I might have told you it's got lowering springs all the way around it. And in the magazine is like the company who painted it, the company did the engine work, all that stuff, the interior work, whoever did that, all the names of the companies are actually in the magazine. Parking brake works. And those are clean up, guys. You guys missed that. Things will loose there. Car rocks, man. Fun car to drive. Got full roller. That car is wicked bad, man. I drove it like Zach cruised it. All the gauges and stuff were working in it. Speedo works, parking brake works. You can hear the kick down on it works. I'm telling you, man, this car rocks. It is fun to drive.
I don't get this.
It works. I had it on. I know the blower motor works. I know I've had that on, so. Matter of fact, it was on when I got in it. Doors open and close real nice. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is our Instagram and our Facebook page. definitely subscribe to our YouTube page. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video, guys. That is a pretty son of a gun right there, man. Car sits good. Boy, that car's pretty. Yeah, we can't get a break on the traffic here. I know Jordan wants to get into it a little bit, although it'll just torch tires, guys. Last video, somebody almost pulled out in front of him. Boy, we can't catch a break here. Maybe right here.